Welcome to Autocar YouTube channel, your trusted source for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we delve into the 2025 Suzuki Esteem, a model that has evolved over the years to meet modern demands. The 2025 Suzuki Esteem showcases a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and functional design. Its sleek silhouette is accentuated by sharp lines and a bold front fascia, featuring a redesigned grille and LED headlights that provide both style and improved visibility. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal but also contributes to fuel efficiency. The Esteem's compact dimensions make it ideal for urban environments, while the inclusion of alloy wheels and chrome accents adds a touch of sophistication. Step inside the 2025 Esteem, and you're greeted by a thoughtfully designed cabin that prioritizes comfort and functionality. High-quality materials adorn the interior, with soft touch surfaces and ergonomic seating ensuring a pleasant driving experience. The dashboard layout is intuitive, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Ample legroom and headroom cater to passengers in both the front and rear seats, making it a practical choice for families. Additionally, the trunk offers generous cargo space, further enhancing the vehicle's versatility. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Esteem is equipped with a responsive 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, the Esteem offers smooth acceleration and handling. The suspension system has been tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a comfortable ride. Furthermore, the electric power steering ensures precise control, making city driving and parking maneuvers effortless. The Suzuki Esteem, known as the Baleno in certain markets, was first introduced in the mid-1990s as Suzuki's entry into the compact car segment. Over the decades, it has undergone several transformations, adapting to changing automotive trends and consumer preferences. The 2025 iteration represents a culmination of Suzuki's commitment to innovation and quality, reflecting lessons learned from previous models to meet contemporary standards. Positioned as an affordable yet feature-rich compact sedan, the 2025 Suzuki Esteem offers excellent value for money. While prices may vary depending on the region and selected trim levels, the base model starts at a competitive price point, making it accessible to a broad spectrum of buyers. Optional packages and higher trims offer additional amenities such as advanced safety features and premium audio systems, allowing customers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences. The 2025 Esteem comes equipped with a host of features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims offer advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. On the convenience front, the Esteem boasts keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, and a multifunction steering wheel. The infotainment system, with its responsive touchscreen, supports Bluetooth connectivity and voice recognition, ensuring drivers remain connected while keeping their focus on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Esteem stands as a testament to Suzuki's dedication to producing reliable, stylish, and efficient vehicles. Its well-crafted exterior and interior design, coupled with commendable performance and a rich history, make it a compelling choice in the compact sedan segment. With a competitive price point and a suite of modern features, the Esteem caters to drivers seeking quality and value. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Suzuki Esteem. For more automotive reviews and insights, subscribe to Autocar and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes.